These are the DDRs, which are the racing edition, supposedly, and so they're a little bit more aggressive than their street version. These came with the camber plates and the 32-way adjustment here. And then I'll show you guys, we have already been playing with one of the coils on the front here. On the driver's side, these will be the rears, one of the front end links, and then the two springs in the back. Now let me show you guys the driver's side. Everything went in pretty smoothly. We didn't have no fitment issues so far. And for this, we adjusted, the preload to 10 mm. And we've been playing with the ride height a little bit. We're gonna have to adjust it once the car's down and everything else is adjusted. We're gonna have to replace this with the new one that they provided. And yeah, everything went in pretty smooth. The camera plates, we're gonna have to play with those as well. And both the driver's side is now done. Got the end link in, coil adjusted, new rotors, new brakes. We're working our way on this side here. We'll see. The rear is in. I think we're gonna have to play with the coil a little bit more, or the spring a little bit more. We'll check it out once it's on the ground. We're gonna throw this tire on. So here's the final look. It's still about Saturday morning because they seem like the most qualified brand on Alibaba. They have all their qualifications posted on their page. The company's been around for a while, also, so that helps out.